What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Happen to be out in LA area, so yeah, let's go check out one of my favorite Nike outlets. All right, Nike outlet Watts. Let's go, man. Let's go find something. All right, doing a midweek visit. All right, let's go. Oh, interesting stuff already. Got the We the Best 5s. Probably got multiple sizes. I didn't see it in the aisles, but all right, let's go check out the Refurbished section and then look around. Remember, they do have a Refurbished section. They also have 30% off the wall right now. Okay. Size 10 boots. SFB Field boots, gently worn. Go for $85, not bad. Phantom Rare Flyknit 2s, go for $70. Invincible Run Flyknit. These are the first gen, go for $90. They're on the third gen already, so those are quite old. Damn, I thought they were Jordan 1 low. Nah, man. They be getting us like that. The Court Visions go for $35. Hella cheap though. LeBron's down to $100, so $70 after the discount. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits, $100. If these were like even cheaper, I probably would look at them, but $100, they're a little high. I think I found one refurbished pair for like $50 a while back. Gave that to a buddy of mine. Eagles Pegasus 38 going for $65, size 11. Tarek Higer slightly imperfect, size 12, going for $70. Phantom React Flyknit 2s going for $73. These are gently worn. Size 14, got some Monarchs. Those going for $38. Size 13, got some old school Pegasus 83s going for $58. Big Feet Gang right here. Vaporfly Next Percent 2s go for $1.25, not bad. Pegasus 39s go for, those are size 14, go for $65. Some of you guys are like, oh, you're not looking at this size, you're not looking at this size. It all just depends on what they have, man. Sometimes they got a bunch of big sizes, sometimes they only have little sizes. You know, whatever they have, that's what I show. So if I'm not showing size 14, 15, if I'm not showing size 10, that means they just don't got nothing, dude. Lakers mids right here. Well, it kind of match what I'm wearing. That purple's a little off though. $125. I don't think I mentioned size 10, 10 and a half. We're gonna hit those up first. Turbo Next Natures, what? $54, 30% off on top of that, so it's at $40. Man, the upper is hella loose on these. I don't think this is as comfy as the Pegasus Turbos. I have 2 pair of Pegasus Turbos. The Next Natures, I don't think they're as springy. Feels more like a React, not like the Zoom X. But yeah, that is hella cheap. Wow. Jordan 7s, the Afro Beats. Feels one of the other Jordan 7s, maybe. Should you get these for $140 or something? That's not bad. Got multiple pairs of these. Also got this colorway as well. Oh, this one's going for a little bit more. Okay. Air Max 95 Quick Strikes. We've seen these a bunch of times, $115. All right, we are moving on up. Kyrie Low 5s going for $70. So it'd be what, $49 for these. Not too shabby for $50. Jordan System 23s. Are people into these? I haven't seen too many people talk about them. $110, size 11. More of these. This one's going for $100. Air Humeras. I thought this was an ACG because it looks like an ACG. I guess not. These are going for a full retail, $165. Wow, steep. Got some Dunks down here, 10 and a half, $135. To be able to get these for 30%, not bad. And they had some Jordan 1 Low Golf. One of the resellers grabbed those already. Oh, and then got Lucas. Got to get these for a discount. That's not bad, man. More Dunks right here. This is size 11 and a half, $125 for those. Size 12 Cosmic Unities going for $85. 2090s going for $110. 12 and a half Infinity Run Flyknit. Was it 3s going for $70? Size 13 Blazers going for $80. Wow, that's hella cheap. Does have that crack leather on it. That's a hell of a price. Do got these bad boys right here. KD 15 All-Star Weekend, $160. That's a size 13. 14s, got these right here. LeBron 20s. I know people have been Seen these at Burlington and stuff, but human sizes or just those insane 17, 18s. On the 2 bills for this, that's a size 14. Oh man, I was like, Jordan 1? Nah, not really. They do have a ton of 14s today. Got these bad boys. Oh, are they about to close? Got these bad boys right here. Yeah, the music's done. They about to close? $185 for those. I got 10 minutes. SB Force 58's going for 80. Del Don 14 and oh, these are size 13, 14 and a half women going for 60. Jordan 6 golf right here, size 12. These are definitely blingy. Never seen these before. Okay, maroon colorway going for 220. Size 16s down to, look at that. Jordans down to way cheap, $110. Holy cow. Holy cow, that is insane cheap. Wow. All right, I got 10 minutes. All right, let's go look at the aisle, see what's up here. Of course, we do have to start here. Do got the lucky greens, got the 5s, got these bad boys. The material on these are so dope. That color's awful for me. I do got the Brotherhood still, got the 5s and then the 7s. Checking out the aisles now. Witness 6s, got a trio of these. Last one right here. Hydro 6s, that's the price they should be at. Westbrook take 1s. The Jordan 1 takes. The Zion 2s. Immortalities. Got a couple more. Got the Zoom Freaks. Cosmic Unities. Another one of those. Max Auras. Comfort Lows. The Stay Loyals. Like, I was like, what the hell is this? Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Got quite a few of these. Another one right here. I thought they had one more, but they're all black. Okay. I guess it's Trail 3s. Another one right here. A third one right there. Pegasus. We've seen all these Pegasus, man. Pegasus 39s. Got a bunch of them. Holy crap. Yep. Got Monarchs. Another one of those. All right, I do have to check the women's section right here. Actually, gotta check at least the refurbished section, see if they got any crazy steals. Because those of you guys that do watch or have been watching for a while, y'all know I will pick up a women's pair, especially if the size is right. Do got Infinity Run Flyknit. It's right here, going for 90. Like if they were any cheaper and it was my size, maybe 10 and a half. That's a size 9, 85 for those. Okay, they do got a couple more Jordans on this side. Delta 3s, couple of mids, some Air Force 1s, some Flight 89s. All right, we got a few more minutes. Let's see if they got any apparel right here. Ooh, got Tech Fleece. Tech Fleece, all white. Oh, this is the yoga. Man, I saw this last week. That's a yoga. Got some cargo pants. Is this? I think these are snowboarding pants, though, no? I don't know. Yeah, this is. Oh, it's an SB going for $70. It is a 38. So yeah, these are fire, dude. I think this is like snowboard pants, but like super light. Dude got tons of hoodies. Always checking out hoodies. These are going for $50 right here, size small. They got them in large sizes as well. Yeah, nothing that really stands out. Purdue, a Purdue hoodie right here, dry fit, going for $70. That is retail. USA shirts. I was able to get a jersey. I think I got it here for hella cheap. I don't know what jersey that is. It's a soccer jersey. Going for $95 though. It's retail. That's a medium. Not really seen too much. Atlanta jersey. These are going for $80. There's just one of the blank ones. I think that's about it, man. I hope I got enough. Hope this video is not too short. I'm gonna hit up one more store, then head home. $70 for that. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit up one more store so I can get video for y'all. Do got the USA t-shirts. These are $30. At least you get 30% off the clearance apparel. But I think that's about it, dude. All right, they literally are closing. I was able to check out as much as I can for y'all. I think we're done. We're done. All right, guys, I hope that video wasn't too short for you guys, because yeah, I didn't know that they closed at 7. but yeah, I ended up talking to a few people and stuff, so kind of took up some time. But yeah, man, decent stuff. That Pegasus Turbo Next Nature, I thought about it. I did think about it, but yeah, I got too much stuff. Especially like just whatever sneakers, like beater type of sneakers. I just got too many things, so I really don't want to have like 50 of those, so so it is what it is. But some deals, they did have some Jordans there too. The Jordan 7, to be able to get that for a discount, that's pretty dope. I was talking to some of the workers. They have been getting Jordans here and there, and they come out when they come out, so yeah, not too bad. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all are my favorite people. Definitely appreciate y'all supporting the channel, that type of stuff. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. I don't think there's too many people that show you like all of the spots in LA and just all the spots in general, because even if you don't live in LA, at least you guys know what to look out for at your local stores, especially if you have like all the stores that we have here. Hopefully the information's informative. So yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Let's go Lakers. Let's go. Let's go. Country have had better deals. They have not had size 38. Vapor Next take. So hopefully it's a